Hello everyone, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken piccata. Chicken piccata is a quick dinner dish that is comprised of pan-seared chicken breast with lemon butter capper sauce. This is so easy and quick to make. I hope you stay tuned. Let's do this together. You're going to start by combining half cup of all-purpose flour in a shallow bowl, a quarter cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese, half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything to combine nicely. I'll be using 2 large chicken breasts and I've already sliced the chicken breast into 2 equal parts. You can go ahead and drizzle the chicken cutlets with some oil. This will allow the breading to stick to the body of the chicken nicely. Just go ahead and brush the oil all over the chicken. You can use your clean hands to do this. You can turn over to the other side and do as well. Next, dredge the chicken cutlet in the flour mixture. Press it down a little bit with your hand. Make sure this is nicely coated on both sides. When you're done, shake off excess flour from the chicken. Transfer this to a dish and also do the rest. And once you're done, place a medium-sized skillet on medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in the chicken cutlets into the skillet. Pan-sear the chicken on one side for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once one side is golden, you can flip over to the other side and pan-sear for another 4 minutes. And once all your chicken breasts are golden, you can transfer to a dish and set aside. You can drain some of the fat from the skillet if in excess. Now, using the same pan, go in with 1 small minced shallot. Saute the shallot on medium heat for 2 minutes. And once it's fragrant, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook this for just a minute or until fragrant. Next, go in with half cup of chicken broth and a quarter cup of white wine. Simmer this on medium heat for 5 minutes until it reduces by half. Once the sauce has reduced by half, you can stir in your capers. So you make sure you rinse this thoroughly to get rid of salt. Also add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Stir this to combine. And a quarter teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt, or you can add as needed. Stir again to combine. Cook the piccata sauce for 2 minutes, and once it's slightly thickened, return the fried chicken. The flour on the chicken will help to thicken the sauce. You can go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter again. Once the butter has melted, scoop some of the sauce over the chicken. The sauce should be glossy, translucent, and slightly thickened. You can now cook this for 3 minutes, then flip over to the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. And after 5 minutes of cooking this on both sides, you can garnish this with a little bit of chopped parsley if you like. And you can turn up the heat. And our chicken piccata is ready. You can use this to enjoy your rice, your boiled pasta, or your crispy roasted potatoes. This chicken piccata has a bright lemony sauce that is just slightly tangy. It is so easy to make and incredibly tasty. I hope you try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share with your friends. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. You can hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time guys, bye for now.